Two column give you the array from single columns. For example, I will apply this two column function, and instead of taking one by one column, you can take the whole area and enter. You will see the result. But this function has more options. For example, if you have some error in the data, if you have any blank, if you have any blank and error, so this function will ignore those things. For example, I am removing any country here. When you remove it, the result will be 0. So what you can avoid 0, you can press, if you can see there are multiple options, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 for keep all values, 1 for ignore blanks, 2 for ignore errors, and 3 for ignore blanks and errors. So what I'm doing, I'm ignoring blank here, so I can put 1 here and close. So what will happen? The blank will be ignored. Two row provide the same result what we have seen in two column. The only difference is it is taking the information into the row. Let's see this. Two row and take this columns here, and that's it. Similarly, it has the same option where you remove one country and take it 0, and you can ignore the 0 by putting 1.